Yes. So we studied these all things in our previous class. Okay, children. What you have to do? You have to complete that chapter. What all exercises are there? Everything we did it on the board. Okay, we did it on the board. Please complete it. Okay, please complete that everything activity. Okay, they given a worksheet also. We did the worksheet also in the previous class. Please continue, complete that and send me. Okay. Okay, children. Before we go on to the next chapter, we'll start with a short prayer. Okay. Close your eyes, children. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Okay? Okay, children. Now we'll start with our new chapter. We'll start with our new chapter, the fresh one. The houses we live in. The houses we live in. Okay. First one, they given a one activity there. They given a one activity. That is draw or paste a picture of your house. Draw or okay. In your textbook, first page they given a one activity. What you have to do? You have to draw or paste a picture of your house. Which type house you have now? Please draw it. If you are good in drawing, please draw it. Okay. If you have a photo of your house, please paste it. Okay. You have to do, children, all of you. In the page number 163, you have to paste your house picture or else you have to draw your house. Similar to that, your house. Okay? Okay, children. Now, next page. Turn the page number 164, children. All of you, open 164 now. Okay? Open 164. In very early times, people lived in a caves to protect themselves from heat, rain and cold. Later they started building houses with a mud, straw, wood, stones and bricks. First, before a days, earlier in the years, what they are doing? They are using the houses with a hut-like structure. They are using the grasses. They are using the grains, grass. Remaining grass will be remained when we blow the grains. The remaining grass, which what all things will be remained. Using that they, or else the sugar cane. In that we get a grass. They are using that all things and they are building the huts. They are building the huts in the earlier. Why they are building the huts? Because to be safer from the rain, okay, summer season, from the heat and from the cold. They are doing that. Okay, but when the times goes on, when times move on, they started to build the houses with the bricks. Okay, bricks means ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಇಟ್ಟಂಗಿ ಇವ ಅವನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ರ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ರ? ಮಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಮನಿ ಮಾಡಕತ್ರ ಅವ್ರ. ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ಮಡ್ ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು build a house. They using a wood. They are using the woods. ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ರ ಅವ್ರ ಮನಿ ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಕ. Stones ಕಲ್ಲು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ರ to build a house. Okay? Nowadays we can see that. Nowadays we can see the houses can be built with the bricks or with the what? Stones. But earlier in the years, they are using the huts. Later on it moved on to the mud. They are using the mud and they are building. After that it comes to now it's the time to build a houses with the bricks, cements they are using. Yes, they are using all the new generation techniques to build the house. What all things we are using now? Now we are using the bricks. Okay? We are using stones and we are using woods to build our houses nowadays. Okay, different types of houses. We have different types of houses. Similar houses will not be. Okay, nan mani hengaytandra baju mani hanga irbekantilala. They have their own thoughts. They have their own mentality. So the houses will differ from one house to another house. Okay. Kuchicha houses. Kuchicha houses means what? In villages, they use a hut system. They use what? Hut system. They prepare they use the what? They use the grass. Okay. What are the remaining grass? Green grass. Okay. The green grass or a sugarcane grass. That are things they use to prepare their houses. In villages, most houses are made of mud, bamboo and straw. Okay, what they do? They use a mud. ಮಣ್ಣಿಂದ ಮನಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. most in the villages. Now also we can see they use mud to prepare their houses and they use bamboo. Okay, bamboo ನೀನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ neatly cut ಮಾಡಿ they used to build a house and they use a straw. Okay, straw means ಅದನ್ನ round ಅಂದ bamboo with a round structure. These houses are temporary. They are temporary because when if we get a flood or if we get a too much heat, it will be damaged. Okay, it is not a permanent houses. They all are not a permanent houses. They can be destroyed or demolished by simple reasons. Because of too much rain, because of too much heat, they can be destroyed. They last for a short time. Or ಅದ್ರದ್ದೇನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರು ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರ್ತಂದ್ರೆ maximum 10 years they can be. More than 10 years they can't be. Okay, they can be destroyed. Okay, they are called kuchicha houses. Okay, next one is puka houses. In cities and towns, houses are made of bricks and cement. Okay, we all see that. In our cities, what we use cements, we use bricks. Okay, we use what is the meaning of bricks? Ittangi athwa enagayte cement inda doddu ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರ ಕಲ್ಲ. We use that to build our houses. These houses are permanent. They are a lifelong houses. They can't be destroyed easily. They have a too much strength in that. Okay, they last for a long time. They are called puka houses. What it is? The cement have a too much strength to hold the bricks. Okay, they are using what? Cement. Most people in cities and towns live in a multi-stored buildings. Multi-stored building means apartments. Multi-stored buildings means what, children? Apartment. That is called as a apartment. One building ಒಳಗ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಮನೆ ಇರ್ತಾವ. So many houses we have. Okay, in one building we have so many houses. The houses in them are called an apartment or a flat. That are called as what? Apartment or it called as a flat. Flat. Okay. Some multi-stored buildings have 3 or 4 stores, but some may even have as many as 100 stores. Okay, some apartments will be there. They have only 4 houses or 5 houses. Some are there, like in the cities, big cities, we can see 100 houses will be there in one apartment only. Okay, we can see that much only, that much also, and we can see only 5 to 6 houses also will be there, depending on the building. Okay, depending on the building. These buildings help in saving space. That apartments ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ space utilize ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ನಾವು. In small space we can build too much big apartment. We can build so many houses in that. Okay, ಅದನ್ನ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಬಾಜು ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಭಾಳ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರೆ the less space. Okay, in one building only we can get so many houses. Okay, some people live in bungalows. These are large houses without lawns. Bungalows means a big house. The rich house, that is the bungalow. The another name of a bungalow is rich house. The another name of a bungalow is rich house. Okay, this bungalows is containing the garden in that. We have a garden in that. We have a swimming pools. We have all the facilities in that. We have all the facilities. These are large houses with the lawns. Some bungalows have a small lawns, while others have a large lawns, depending on their their expenditure. Some they build the bungalows with a big lawns. Okay, big garden will be there, big swimming will be there, everything will be there inside only. That type bungalows also there. Some are there depending on their requirement. They prepare the lawns and bungalows. Okay, next we'll move on to the tents. Tents andre ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ರಿ? When we go for the forest, okay, when we go to the forest for the seeing the environment, that time what we use tents. Okay, tents. If you go to near Dandeli or anywhere where we have a forest, you can see this type of a tents. Okay, they will facilitate with a tents. The hotels or resorts, they facilitates with what? Tents or huts. Some people live in a tents made of canvas. These tents can be easily moved and fixed at other places. Usually, people who need to take moving from one place to another place, they use a tents. Means riders, okay? Riders, what they do? They will not stay in one place. They will move from one place to another place. What they do? They use a tents to sleep, to prepare their food. After preparing and eating and resting, they will do again. They will pack up their bags, pack up their tents, and they move on to the another place. Okay? When they want rest, they will prepare that tent. Okay? And again, after finishing that resting and everything, they again pack up the tent and move on. It can be moved. It can be moved from one place to another place. And these tents can be made with a canvas. Okay? Canvas. Okay? It can be easily washed and easily used. Okay. Next one is tents. We studied about tents. We studied about puka houses. We studied about kuchacha houses. Okay. Different types of houses we learned today. We'll move on to the next one is caravans. Okay. Means in the cars we have houses. Okay. In the buses, nowadays we can see in the buses we have a houses. They prepare everything. They will prepare the rooms in that, kitchens in that. Okay. Everything will be facilitated in that. That is called as a caravans. Okay. There are some people who live in houses on wheels. Houses on wheels. These houses are called caravans. Okay. Means in cars only they will prepare. Here they given a picture. See, this type will be. Nowadays you can see film actors when they are traveling to the other city or when they are shooting. Okay. When they are shooting, they live in where? They will not live in the houses or they will not live in the rooms. They will live in their own buses, bus houses. Nowadays we can see that bus houses. Inside that we can see rooms, we can see the living room, we can see the bedroom, bathroom, everything will be there. Okay, that is called as a caravans. The caravans are a mobile and like a car, can be driven and parked anywhere. Car type also there, bus type also there. This can be what? It have a structure like a mobile. How mobile will be? Like that it will be. It can be parked anywhere. Okay? How our cars will be parked in one place now? Like that we can park this also in the any places. Okay? And it can be driven by anyone. Anyone can drive that. Next one is roofs. Houses have a different types of roofs. Okay, next one is a roofs. Okay, the kind of roofs a house has depends on the place where the house is built. Okay, houses in the plains have a flat roofs. These are made of cement or a asbestos sheets. Roofs means malinda. Okay, what they do depending on their choice. Okay, roofs can have a different types roofs are there. Some use a wood, some use a cement for the roof, and some use flat one, some use triangle one. Which type they want, they will use. Okay, depending on their choice. So children, today what all we did the different types of houses. We'll write the difficult words in that. Please write it. Please write it 5 times. Okay, hard words. Okay, I will name it as a hard words. I am writing hard words on the board. Please write it 5 times in your homework book. First one is protect. Next one is temporary. And the one more is apartment. Apartments. Fourth one, bungalows. Fifth one, one is hookah house. The next one, 7th one. 10 I am giving. Till now what we did now on that. Next one, canvas. 8th one, caravans. 9th one, asbestos. 10th one. Next last one, that is building. These all things you have to write it how many times, children? You have to write it 5 times in your homework book. Please practice these all things. We studied about types of houses today. We studied about types of houses. We have a different types of houses. We can see the apartments. We can see the hut-like structure. We can see the what? The next one is which we see the hut. Okay, hut we see, tents we see, and the next one bungalows we see. Bungalows we see. Okay, apartments it depending on the how many houses we have. Okay, if we have a 4 houses, we have a small apartment. If we have a 10 or more than 20, it is a big apartment. We can see these apartments in the in our city also. You just go through it. When you see now, please write that. Okay, please write it how many houses are there and which type of apartment it is. Bungalows, if you see, please see that and see how it will be, how the lawn structure will be, how the remaining things inside the bungalow, what all things are there. Please see that. Okay, then you can easily identify the different types of houses. Okay, children. Okay, understood how we did? Please copy this in your homework book first. After that, write it 5 times. We'll continue with the next part in the next class. Okay, children. Please revise it and we'll continue our class in the next. Okay.